Hi, everybody. We are going to warm up our fingers and our hands using some Play-Doh today. I'm using some scented dough, so each of these smells differently. We're going to make a rainbow using 6 different colors. If you only have a couple colors, that is fine. Whatever you have, you can still follow along and do we're going to roll out some logs and make a rainbow shape. So if you only have one color, you can still join in, but it is more fun with lots of different colors. Okay, so just follow along. We're going to roll it between our two hands. Then we're going to roll it on the table with our fingertips. It's not getting very long yet, so I'm going to use a little more pressure with the palm of my right hand. And then I'm going to use my left hand because we're trying to warm up both hands. And when it's long enough to put both hands back on, use your fingertips again. And we'll try to get it as long as about a little bit out past both of your hands. If you put your hands on the log, a nice first log for our rainbow. And a rainbow isn't usually straight, it's usually curved. So, what we're going to do while we prepare our other ones is set it to the side so we have space to roll out the next color. And then we'll assemble them into our nice rainbow. So, once you take the Play Doh out of the container, mold it in one hand, mold it in the other hand just to get it nice and soft. Start rolling out. I'm going to use my palm again to get it longer. And try to make it about the same length as the first one. A little bit longer. That looks pretty good. On to my third color. This time we're going to roll it into a ball just to do a slightly different movement with our hands. This one we're going to roll into a ball. Since it's yellow, I'm going to turn this one into the sun. So we're making a ball and we're going to flatten it by pressing down with both hands. Keep it nice and round. We'll put our sun to the side. Let's add a few more colors to our rainbow. So we need a few more logs. You can use whatever colors you want for the rainbow. If it starts cracking, you can do some pinching to kind of mold it back together. This green one smells like apple. I can smell it. Okay, and then I have blue. And loosening it up a little bit in my palm. Pressing down. And we have our last color for our rainbow. And this one we can keep a little bit shorter because now we're going to curve these to be the shape of a rainbow. So the whatever color you have at the bottom, we're going to start with the curve. I'm going to place my sun in the middle. And then I'm going to just press down to flatten it a little bit. It'll keep its shape better. And bring the next color around. You might need to tug a little bit if it's not quite the right length. Oh, my orange one's not quite long enough. Let's see if I can extend it. Use a lot of fingertip. There you go. Now that's looking good. I like that. My red one is not going to be long enough. So let me roll it out a little bit more before I start curving it. And then press and tug to extend it out a little bit more. And there you have a beautiful rainbow. Nice job, and your hand should be nicely warmed up. Good job.